I just had a 3-day live conference that was streaming first and for our members, and it's just I'm blown away by it. We learned so much. We heard from the CEO of School and the CEO of Stan. They were in the building and streaming live for everybody all over the world. And we heard from Terry Ijeoma, who is a Black woman who has earned $60 million in her course sales and in her trading. And it's been wonderful. And I wanted to let you know there's going to be some more normal programming coming back on Monday. But for the weekend, I wanted to share with you because just been getting so many messages and I've seen your posts, I've seen your DMs, I've seen your comments, everything. And I am actually having an inner circle meetup today. So this is the bonus, the other bonus that happens for in-person attendees. It's just a few, maybe 30 people in person. We have an inner circle meetup, which is one of the benefits of being in my inner circle. There are only 100 lifetime members, and we have about 90 or 91 as of right now. And so if you want to learn more about that, the link is in the description. We talked about that during the conference. There have been a few questions, so I'm going to answer a few of them. And this video may not be for you. You may not be interested, but I know it's going to be for a lot of the members. So I'm giving you a little bit of behind the scenes. So yes, the first question, I mean, one of the questions was inner circle because I talked about it. Inner circle is my closest proximity program. So you get to have my phone number. You can text me anytime you want. We can talk about whatever you need to talk about in your business. If you have a question, if you're going into a meeting, if you're negotiating, if you're working on your YouTube channel, any of that. People have used it for so many things. And you also get calls with me. You get calls with our high ticket sales expert, Colin Yearwood, who featured on Your First Million Live over the days. And he's helped his clients make millions of dollars altogether total. And he's just really great at getting to the heart of it. So you get 4 calls with him throughout the year. And it is a full 12-month program. You get a lifetime seat, which means you have your seat locked in at this rate, which is it used to be 25,000 to 30,000, but it's now just 6,000 per month. Sorry, 6,000 per year. You're gonna like that. 6,000 per year. And you get that locked in no matter how much it goes up over time. But it doesn't mean you are locked in a contract. You have no contracts, so you can cancel at any time before those first 12 months are up, and then you have that full 12 months with us. But most people stick around for a very long time, which is why we have 90 lifetime members. And we also do a lot of things in person. So, like for instance, right now I'm getting ready to meet, as I said, with the group, the people who came in from all over the world. I'm going to be in all over the country. I'll be meeting with them. We'll be hanging out for like 5 hours and just getting to talk because during the event, it's just like I'm interviewing people. I'm on camera like 99%, 95% of the time and there's not a lot of time to talk in between. So this is our farewell. Like, let's just kind of see, talk, and calm. And it's really nice. And I have a special announcement coming up to the inner circle that I'm going to tell them before I tell you. But it's very, very cool. And if you at all want to join, this is the time to join because there's something cool happening later this year that we're going to be a part of. Then I was asked about just like how I got these really cool people to show up when it comes to the people who are on camera. We had Sam Ovens, who founded School as a CEO, and School is just a juggernaut. It has 24 million users now. It's just really, really cool. And John from Stan Store, these are things that I teach, and these are things that I've won contests around just by merit. And over the years, or over the last year and a half, I've just spent a lot of time in these ecosystems, not only winning these contests, but teaching thousands of people about the products and being featured. And yes, then connecting with those CEOs because that's what I do in my other work as an entrepreneur, as an investor. So it just made sense to me to just get to know them, answer questions for them, give them a perspective that I think they both benefited from. And then the same for me, like they came through and just blew it out the water. With Terry, I've known Terry for about 3 years. She is just so impressive and so true. And I've loved seeing her evolution as well. Just because you make a lot of money, it doesn't mean that like everything is figured out. And like I've just seen her just like level up in all ways. And she has a new book coming out, so we talked about that. It's called The Risk Worth Taking. You can pre-order it right now. Go look her up. $60 million earned in the last few years. I guess people asked about next year's Your First Million Live. They wanted to know, or you all wanted to know, when is it happening, if it's happening, where is it happening? And I did mention this during the live. If you know, you know. But my goal is to have a 2027 Your First Million Live. And we're going to see what the format will be. I've had one 2 years ago that had 1,900 people at a huge theater that's in Hollywood, like in downtown LA, where the Emmys are held. And I've had this one that was held in a very intimate space, but really cool, able to beam it and have that direct conversation with our worldwide audience. I love them both. I had people come up to me. Some people came up to me and said they like this one better. They went to both. I had some people come up to me and say, "Hey, I can't wait for the next where we can have, 1,000 plus people in the room." I think there's a little bit of something for everybody in these. So I'm going to spend the next few months really deciding and figuring out what's best, and I'm not going to rush it. I'm not going to rush it, but I do plan on having something, even if it's like this type of thing again, because it went really well. And it was very, very, I felt in my element. And I felt like, this is cool. It could be something different. It could be something that we haven't done yet. Stick around, pay attention, make sure you've joined your first 5K, which is linked below, and stay tuned. Authority X Pro, people were asking about that. Go to the pinned comment and go to other comments about Authority X Pro and your first 5K. Lots of information, video, things like that. 360 pass. Okay, so 360 pass. People are asking me, should I still get 360 pass with Authority X Pro? And you have all these things. 360 pass is still the one. In fact, I just said this. I'm going to show you. I was quoting Shania Twain, as you do. If you know, you know, Shania Twain. So I just posted this, and this is what inspired me to make this video. So I said, getting a lot of questions. 360 pass, as Shania Twain says, is still the one. It's still the one. So as the 1,000 people who have 360 pass will tell you, which is so cool, 3,000 people since January in 3 months or less than 3 months. They'll tell you that it has everything you need for true clarity and speed. And right now it's on sale for 30% off. It's normally 360, which is the deal of a lifetime and a steal. But right now it's 250 if you see this in time. So if you see this in time, link is below, jump on it. Even if it's back to 360, it's still absolutely phenomenal. And you get AI tools, you get a weekly call with me, which no other program has, a weekly coaching call in a group. You get live challenges, and during your first million live 360 members got a bonus day at the very beginning to kick things off where you saw things that everybody else did not get to see. And you will have the full replay of your first million live as a 360 pass holder. So even if you didn't get to see it or you only saw a little bit of it, if you have the 360 pass, in a few days when my editors and my team, we put together my director's cut of this, which will be very similar to the live. We did what, 15 hours? 15 hours worth, and every bit of it was action packed. So you want if you got the 360 pass for $250, which is what it's on sale for, just for that, just for that replay, you'd be set. But believe me, there's more in there. So very, very cool. I'm excited. I just realized that it's super cool. Like most people would have done like, okay, you get the replay for 199 or 299 or 499, and that's the replay. But you get the replay and all the other stuff in 360 pass. So it's a no-brainer. Go get it. Get it right now. There's even payment plans available for some people. So the link is going to be below in the description and or pinned comment. All right. I hope that helped with some of the FAQs. Like I said, on Monday, I'll be back with a brand new tactical tactical video for you so we can get right back into what we've been doing the past 600 videos. I'll see you soon.